Hello everyone, welcome to our math lesson, Year 2, Term 2. The topic is about fill the bucket. We are going to use our learner's book, page 52, and our notebook. Let's look at our learning objective. Our learning objectives say, learners will be able to improve their estimation and begin to visualize the volume of 1 liter and half a liter. We have again gain further practice in estimating and developing their knowledge and understanding of half a liter and 1 liter. The last objective is improve in their calculations skills and will come to realize that it's better to measure in 1 liter than half a liter, as this will make it easy to calculate the volume of liquid in a container. Let's move to the next slide. In our previous lesson, we talked about volume and capacity, and we said that capacity is measure of how much a container can hold. Capacity is a measure of how much a container can hold. Here we have some containers. We have milk and we have other containers also. We have a cup here. Measuring spoons or measuring jars can be used to measure capacity. Capacity is measured in milliliters and liters, and 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliters. Remember, we say that volume is space in a shape, and capacity is amount of water that can be filled in the glass. Let's look at fill the bucket. This is our topic today. Fill the bucket. If you want to fill the swimming pool up with water, which container would you use? If you wanted to fill your swimming pool up with water, which container would you use? So we have 2 containers here, the red container and the blue container. We think we will use the blue container because the blue bucket holds a lot more than the red cup, so you won't need as many buckets full to fill because it holds more water than the red container. This will make our swimming pool fill up quick. So let's move to the next. We have some more examples. Miss Warner is really thirsty. Which cup would she use and why? Miss Warner is really thirsty. Which cup would she use? We have 2 cups here, the blue and the green. I think the answer is obvious. We'll be using blue cup. This is too big for someone to drink water, so we are going to use blue cup. It is much smaller than the green cup and will therefore hold much less water. So this one is too big and the water is too much. So we will use the small cup, the small cup. It holds much less water. Let's move. So we have unit that measure capacity, unit for measuring capacity. Here are some units for measuring capacity. We have 1 milliliter, 25 milliliter, 500 milliliter, and 1 liter. We have some bottles. These are the bottles that we have come across, like the Coca-Cola bottle. We have 1 liter bottle and we have half a liter bottle. Also, we have the container that we use to carry water to school, to the beach, to the park. These are the container. It's also, some are 1 liters, others are half a liter. Bottle of water, we have 1 liter bottle of water here. Most of us have seen this. All of us, not most of us, all of us, we have seen this water. So let's proceed. We have some more here. Echo shape. We have this bottle which is 150 milliliters. We have water bottle which is 160. We have sport drink which is 250. We have vitamin, we have which is 260. The soda bottle which is 260. We have juice which is 460. And the milk which is 500 milliliters. Let's move with our work. How large is a liter? How large is a liter? Half of large pop bottle. Half of large pop bottle. That is a liter. Remember we said 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliters. Is the same as 1 L is equal to half liters. This is 2 half liters. Is the same as 2 half liters and 4 quarter liters. Here we have 1 jug which is 1 liter. If you have 2 halves, it's equal to 1 liter. Or if you have 4 quarters, it's also the same as 1 liter. Let's move to the second one. A half a liter is the same as 2 quarters. Half a liter is the same as 2 quarters. So if you have 2 quarters, it equals to half liter. Let's move to the next. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 quarters, which is equal to 1.5 liter. Is 1.5 liter or is equal to 3 halves. We have 3 halves here, liter. So 6 quarter is the same as 1.5 liter of water, which is 3 halves, 1, 2, 3. Let's move to the next. For example, we have 500 milliliters, we have 400 milliliters, and we have 100 milliliters. When you add all together, it's going to fill 1 liter bottle. If you get 500 milliliters plus 400 milliliters, that is 900 milliliters, plus 100 milliliters is going to be 1,000 milliliters, which is the same as 1 liter, which is the same as 1 liter. We have example 2 here. How many jugs of water are needed to fill the bucket? How many jugs of water are needed to fill the bucket? This bucket is 8 liters and this one is 4 liters. So how many this jug will need is needed to fill the 8 liters? So we are going to have 4 liters plus 4 liters plus 4 liters. Liters, we say liters, we write in capital letters. So let's write our liters in capital letters. Is the same, is equals to 4 plus 4 is equals to 8 liters. So we have 2 jugs is going to be 2 jugs of water. Is going to have 2 jugs of water. We're going to have 2 jugs of water to fill the bucket. Let's look for the next example here. How many glasses of water were used to fill the jug? How many glasses of water were used to fill the jug? Here we have 250 milliliter glass. 250 milliliter glass. So it's the same as a quarter milliliters or a quarter liter. Quarter liter, not milliliters, as a quarter liters. So we are going to say 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliters. So we are going to take 250 milliliters. Before I continue, we said above here, how many quarters make 1 liter? How many quarters make 1 liter? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 quarters make 1 liter, which is the same as 250, because we are going to take our 1,000 milliliters and we are going to divide it into 4. We are going to take our 1,000 to divide into 4 to get milliliters. That's where we are right now. So we are going to take 250 milliliters. This is a quarter, plus 250 milliliters plus 250 milliliters plus 250 milliliters. This is a 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's the same as 1 liter. Is the same as 1 liter. Is the same as 1 liter. So how many glasses of water were used to fill the jug? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 4 glasses of water. It's 4 glasses of water. 4 glasses. 4 glasses of water. It's 4 glasses of water. When you take 250 plus 250, that is 550 milliliters, plus 250 milliliters and plus 250, you get 1,000 milliliters. You get 1,000 milliliters. 1,000 milliliters, which is the same as, is also the same as 1 liter. Which is the same as, also is the same as 1 liter. This is how we do it. Let's move to the next example. Here we have critical thinking. We are going to think. Here we have this 5 liter bottle. We have 5 liter bottle. Let's read our first question. How many 1 liter jug will be needed how many 1 liter jug will be needed to fill 5 liter jug? We have 5 liter jug here. So if you use 1 liter jug to fill, let me look for 1 liter jug. 1 liter jug. Okay. I'll make it a little bit smaller and move close to here. Okay. How many 1 liter jug will be needed to fill 5 liter jug? So we have 1 liter jug here and then the bottle of 5 liters. So how many 1 liter will be needed to fill 5 liter jug? So it's going to be 1 liter plus 1 liter plus 1 liter plus 1 liter. Let me put liter here. Plus 1 liter plus 1 liter, which is equals to 5 is equals to 5 liters. It's equal to 5 liters. Is equal to 5 liters. So we are going to add, when you put water, you add 1 plus 1 till 5. So is 5. 1, 1, 1, 5 times. 1, 5 times is the same as 1 liter. 1 liter times 5. 1 liter times 5. 1 liter times 5. I put that insert. I'm going to put a multiplication. 1 liter times 5 times 5. So our answer is going to be 5 liters. This is our math today. Very interesting. Okay, let's move to the next question. Question 2. How many half-liter jug will be needed to fill this 5-liter bottle? How many half-liter jugs will be needed to fill this 5-liter bottle? So we need to look for the half a jug. I'll take it from here. How many half a liter will be needed? So here I have a bottle. So how many half a liter jug or bottle will be needed to fill this? And we said 2 half liters is equal to 1 liter. 2 half liters is equal to 1 liter. Let's see how we are going to work on this. So we need to make 1 liter first. So a half a liter two half liters, so we need to put 2 times 2. So we need to have 2. That is 1 liter. 2 is 1 liter. We need to add another half. Another one. That is 2 liters now. We need to make another one. We need to make, that is 3 liters now. Three liters now. We have 4 liters now. Let's make, we say 2 half liter is equal to 1 liter. And then we need to make 5 liters to fill this 5 liter bottle, big bottle that we have here. We need to fill this bottle. So we are going to have another bottle half. So we have 1 liter, 2, 1 liter, 2 liter, 3 liter, 4 liter, 5 liter. Now we have 5 liter. So our question is, how many half liters jug will be needed to fill this 5 liter bottle? So we need to count our half liters. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's 10 half liters. 10 half 10 half liters is 10 half liters. Just want to make is 10 half liters. 10 half liters. Okay, let's move to the next one. Let me put red color. Is 10 half liter, that make 5 liters. 10 half liters. Let me write in words so we cannot confuse 10 half liters. 10 half liters is 10 half liters. Let's move to the last one. Here it says, how many liters and half liter jug will be needed to fill 5 liter bottle? How many liters and half liters will be needed to fill this 5 liter bottle? So here is easy because you have done it already. So we are going to say, we are going to take the first one. We are going to say 5 liters, or that is 10 half liters, or 10 half liters. So one of these is going to be used to fill the bottle. Is going to be used to fill the bottle. So this is our answer. Now the third answer. This is our third answer. Good. Okay. This is our answer for this. This is our answer. Okay, let's move to the last one. Here it says, Anna's bucket is full. It holds 5 cups of beans. Jimmy's bucket can hold 8 cups of beans. If Anne poured her beans into Jimmy's cup, how many more cups of beans will they need to fill the cup? So Anna is having, his bucket is full of 5 cups of beans, and Jimmy's bucket is 8 cups of beans. So what we need to do is, when Anna puts her beans into Jimmy's cup, so there's a space that is going to be remain. There will be a space there. So what we need to do, we are going to say 8 minus, that is 8 cups of Jimmy, 8 cups of beans. This is the 8 cups of beans. 8 cups of beans. This is Jimmy. and you're going to take away 5 cups of beans for Anne. 5 cups of tea for Anne. So when you take away 8 minus 5 is going to be 3. So 3 cups will be needed. 3 cups will be needed to fill Jimmy's bucket. Jimmy's cup. 5 cups will be needed to fill Jimmy's bucket. 5 cups. 3 cups, sorry. 3 cups needed. 3 cups needed. 3 cups needed. This is our work today. We have some activity here. I want you to read the volume and write them down. Read the volume of the jug and write them down in milliliters. Write them down in milliliters. I wish you all the best. Have a nice day. Bye. Thank you.